I just a loop because you could do it. Go up this hill because I can do it.
You know you love that.
Oh yeah. I remember when Ken did it. I was like, that's kind of cool. But he did it. I mean, there was no trail. He
Yeah, but
blazed
he's
it.
fucking batshit crazy, man. In a good way.
I always forget about the recording. I actually have one of the very best videos I have of me actually cheating. I can't post because I'm yelling at kids in the video. There's the 2 flops.
There's a lot of water up in this
Yeah?
son of a gun.
We're gonna get a lot more water when this hurricane comes up through here too.
Look at all this. This is really flooding right here.
Interesting. That'd be interesting.